Since implementing Elastic, I'd say in nearly every measurable metric, we've seen notable improvements. It is definitely a whirlwind in the security world. When we were looking at partners to help in that journey, one of the big things we looked at is who can help us surface data. It's a long list on kind of how we ended up with Elastic. One of the big reasons is the amount of flexibility we get with Elastic. In the world of security, when the needs of our organization and how we need to respond to security threats can change on a daily basis, we needed a solution and a partner that would be able to be flexible with us. What we get into when we're talking with our clients and internally ourselves is, in order to properly protect the business, we need to understand what is valuable to the business. So Elastic allows us to ingest that, parse that, normalize that. We're treating that like any other data within the entire environment. So we're able to bring that data in and act on it and report on it like we would any other source. All of our clients are in Microsoft Azure ecosystem as well. So we kind of became a natural fit. Elastic is a strategic partner with Microsoft as well. Since implementing Elastic, I'd say in nearly every measurable metric, we've seen notable improvements. Client satisfaction being a big one in our industry. I'm excited about everything they're doing, from use cases, go-to-market opportunities. We are currently looking into Elastic Observability for our observability solutions, everything within the Azure environment for our clients and ourselves. All of that is kind of what we're looking to next.